Baby animals. Baby bear holds his toes. He wants to be a circus bear when he grows up. He wants to make all the children laugh. Baby squirrel has come to see what her little cousin, the chipmunk, is so busy doing at the end of the long branch. Baby chipmunk has a delicious nut, and he is going to stuff it into his cheek before baby squirrel gets it. They both like to eat nuts. Baby fox is full of mischief. He is hoping he will find a sleepy rabbit to chase, but the rabbits are hiding. Baby sheep is dancing over the hills and meadows. It is spring, and everyone wants to dance in the warm sunshine. Warm sunshine sounds nice. Baby opossum is pretending to be dead. If a big dog comes along, she will play dead. Then the dog will go away. Baby skunk is fooled by her playmates lying so still. Baby lion roars, "Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Baby tiger says, "You frighten me." Baby tiger looks like a great big kitten, and he loves to play like one. Baby giraffe is so tall that she has to bend down to stay in the picture. She never makes a sound, and she can run very fast. Baby monkey swings from branch to branch. He holds on with his hands, with his feet, and with his tail. Baby orangutan also lives in the trees. She puts a leaf on her head to keep the sun off. Baby kangaroo practices taking long hops. He uses his big tail for balance so he won't fall. Baby koala lives in Australia, like baby kangaroo. She sleeps in the branches of the eucalyptus tree and eats its leaves. Baby woodchuck has been asleep all winter long. Now she is eating tender grass and a small tasty root. Soon she will be very plump. Baby mink has just caught her first fish. She will show it to her mother and then eat it for breakfast. Baby rabbit has hopped away from his mother's side. His eyes are wide open. He sees a big bumblebee. "I don't think I will go any farther," he says. Baby raccoon washes her apple. She never eats anything until she has washed it first. She even washes a fish. Baby camel walks very well and can go for a day without drinking. He keeps food and water in his fat humps. Baby owl says, "Who's undressed and who's in bed and who's asleep?"